Hey guys, it's back with Naya Edits. Hey! So we're I'm collabing with Treasure Edits. So you might see in this video a point of view. So we're playing Color or Die. So as you can see, we're gonna start. So before I start, can you click the like button for me? And a notification bell and subscribe to my channel. So if you subscribe, more. Let me tell you a secret. Treasure doesn't know. More edits are coming. Better. Anyways, let's start. Wait, yeah. So right now I'm black. And now we have to go get the red bucket.
Hi guys, I'm gonna be joining this video soon, but I can't right now since I'm doing a video right now. So yeah, but I love you guys. Come on.
So that was her. I'm trying to wait for this monster. Oh my god! It's right there. It's right there. He's right here. He was right there. Was he camping? No, he wasn't. He's coming back. He's coming back for me. He's coming back for me. So as you can see, I'm already crypto out. I already creeped out. I don't know why I said crypto. What are you doing? Did he see me?
Okay. Journey's
Definitely see me. Anyways, I'm hiding from him, so don't join that. Because he's like literally camping for us. You guys see him camping? I'm going to stay here just for purposes.
You idiot! If you heard that, that was me sneezing.
No.
My sneezes are so loud.
Okay.
Are you on red or black?
I'm not red yet because he keeps on camping me. You want to say?
Yeah.
Anyways, that's just... Okay, hold on. Stop coming over here. Just stop. Like, this one is like... I don't know if you should go, buddy. It's giving red flag, so... Come and get me. I'm over here. Oh, no. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm joining a different server. See you in a different server. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back, like, in a new server. Because the other one was, like, not really good. Hope this one's better. I kind of already hear him. Oh, I see him. Like I said, this is Color or Die. It's really scary. Scary? No, for people. It's not that scary, but the monster just makes us a little scary. It's not scary. If you like kid Roblox is free. If you want to download it, you can also meet me there. I might be doing live streams. You never know. I could be doing live streams, but that's only when I get big subscribers amounts, like big amounts. Yes, I know I'm falling. I'm getting pissed, but it's okay. It's really okay.
Should I play?
Right? It's okay. getting so...
I'm gonna play make a hide and seek.
I'm recording. Okay. Do I got it? Do I got it? Do I get it? I was so close. Bro. I'm like sweating. I thought we were gonna make a milkshake, but
Do you want to?
after I finish recording.
Okay. You know, you can record the milkshake too, right?
That's later. So you heard her. We might be pouring a milkshake.
And I'm not gonna be showing my face because
Face reveal time. So you're just gonna be hearing her voice in the
right
background.
now I'm doing a voice reveal.
Yeah. I have, or you guys already seen my face. I didn't even think about doing like a voice reveal and all those face reveal stuff. Cause I just thought it would be okay. But I realized it's not gonna be okay because I've been like seeing weird stuff, so. I should have done like a face reveal because it seems more cooler than just showing your face on social media. So, because social media is not really that
so
safe for
dark.
young influencers, so.
It's so dark right now, bro.
Oh.
Honestly, it's so dark. Why is it so dark?
You're in that one. It's lights off, Treasure. Lights
I'm
off.
not dumb. Nah, y'all.
Then
I
why did
know.
you say, why is it so dark? It's lights off.
I know. Oh gosh. I'm confused. I don't know where I'm going. I'm joining a different server.
I really don't like this. I don't
Enjoy.
like Color or Die because of this obby.
Should I help you?
If you can, after I think I got it, but
Bro.
okay, actually, can you help me?
Of course. So I'm helping Maya right now.
Because I don't know how.
Let me cook.
Yeah.
I'm cooking. Yeah, let's cook. I'm cooking.
They'll celebrate too.
Let's go. Okay. Oh!
You died.
Yeah.
You have Congress? I meant Converse.
Yeah, I have Converse.
Oh, you're so cool.
I keep on dying.
You should probably wear some Converse. I hear him. Wait, are you done? Treasure!
I was helping you.
Well, thanks, but I didn't need that type of help. I'm
You
so
just
sorry.
kicked me out of the game, bro.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Guys, what? Can y'all help me decide what game I should play?
They said, I don't know.
Should I play Berry Avenue Brooklyn?
Girl, that's later.
I play a different game. Can we play a game together?
Okay, you guys. I died. I'm playing a different game. See you in a different game. Okay, guys. This is going to be the end of my video because we also need to like do stuff. So this will be the end. I know it's not. I know this is like a little short video, and I'm getting used to it. So yeah. Bye, guys.